Hi folks, it's Terry back with another video. What you're looking at is my Marx Blue 490 locomotive. This little locomotive was once one of my brother's. It had been up in our attic for years and years. About 25 years ago, I got it out and got it running again. Now, it does need some work. Needs a new drawbar and new brushes, but it is running. And that's made it a perfect candidate for an experiment I wanted to do. My friend Ben over at Ben's Train showed me how to put a manual toggle switch E unit into one of these locomotives. I'm going to bring it around so we can take a look at it. Stop it right there. And if you look very closely, you will see that there is a toggle switch. This is a micro double pole, double throw toggle switch embedded in the cab. And that goes to the motor and allows the motor, if I show you, I'm going to throw the switch here in the back to go in reverse. And let me get the phone off the tripod, and I'll show you it can do that all the way around the track. No problem at all. This is something that I've only ever seen one Marx 490 micromotor do this, and that was one owned by my friend Ben over at benstrains.com. Now, in the video description, I will post a link to his video of how he did this, because he can explain how to do it much better than I could. I'll bring it around and bring it to a stop. And we'll put it back and forward. And let you see, and we'll let you see it run again. And as I said, there it goes. It's a little noisy. It's an old locomotive, but there it goes, running around the track and forward again. And so I hope you enjoyed this video. As I said, I will post a link to tell you how Ben over at Ben's Trains did this. You can view his video, follow his instructions. It's a 5-minute job, and any Marx 490 with micromotor can now have a manual toggle switch controlled E unit. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video.